Gorillas, like all organisms, begin their lives at birth. Gorilla pregnancies typically last for about 8.5 months, similar to humans. After this gestation period, the mother gorilla gives birth to a single infant, although twins can occur rarely. Newborn gorillas are tiny compared to their adult counterparts, weighing only about 4 pounds (1.8 kilograms) at birth. They are completely dependent on their mothers for care and nourishment. The mother gorilla carries and nurses her infant, usually for about 3 to 4 years, until the infant becomes more independent. Size and appearance: gorillas are the largest primates and the largest living primates. They have robust bodies with broad chests and shoulders. Adult male gorillas, called silverbacks due to the silver hair on their backs, can weigh up to 400 pounds (180 kilograms) or more, while adult females are smaller, typically weighing around half as much. Social structure: gorillas live in groups called troops or bands, led by a dominant adult male known as the silverback. Troops typically consist of several females, their offspring, and possibly subordinate males. The silverback is responsible for protecting the group, making decisions, and maintaining order within the troop. Communication: gorillas communicate using a variety of vocalizations, gestures, and body language. These can include grunts, hoots, roars, chest beating, and more. They also use facial expressions and body postures to convey emotions and intentions. Diet: gorillas are primarily herbivores, feeding on a diet of fruits, leaves, stems, and shoots. They are folivores, meaning they consume a lot of foliage. Their diet can vary depending on the availability of food in their habitat. Intelligence: gorillas are highly intelligent animals, capable of using tools, solving problems, and learning from their environment. They exhibit complex social behaviors and have been observed using sticks or branches as tools for various purposes, such as foraging or defense. Habitat: gorillas are found in the forests of Central Africa, primarily in countries such as Uganda, Rwanda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Cameroon. They inhabit both lowland and mountain forests, preferring dense vegetation for cover and a variety of food sources. Endangered status: gorillas are classified as endangered species due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts are crucial for their survival, including habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and community-based initiatives. Gentle nature: despite their formidable size and strength, gorillas are generally gentle and non-aggressive animals. They tend to avoid conflict and will typically display threatening behaviors, such as chest beating or vocalizations, as a warning before resorting to physical confrontation. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, meaning their diet consists mainly of plant matter. Here's an overview of what gorillas typically eat. Fruits: gorillas consume a variety of fruits, including berries, figs, and other seasonal fruits. Fruits are an important part of their diet, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and sugars. Leaves and vegetation: gorillas are folivores, meaning they consume a significant amount of leaves and other vegetation. They feed on a wide range of plant species, including young leaves, shoots, stems, and foliage from various trees and shrubs. Stems and shoots: gorillas also eat stems and shoots from plants, particularly during times when fruits and other preferred food sources are scarce. These parts of plants provide additional nutrients and fiber. Bark and pith: in some cases, gorillas may strip bark from trees to access the nutritious inner layers or consume the soft pith found inside certain plants. Bamboo: in habitats where bamboo is available, gorillas may include bamboo shoots and leaves in their diet. Bamboo provides a rich source of nutrients and is often consumed by gorillas when available. Occasional insects: while gorillas are primarily herbivorous, they may occasionally consume insects such as ants, termites, or caterpillars, particularly when foraging for other food sources. Gorillas have a diverse and varied diet, consisting mainly of fruits, leaves, stems, and other plant material. Their dietary preferences may vary depending on the availability of food in their habitat and the seasonality of certain plant species. A diverse diet ensures that gorillas obtain the necessary nutrients for their health and well-being. Gorillas typically give birth to a single infant at a time, although twins can occur rarely. The interval between births varies depending on several factors, including the age and reproductive status of the female, Environmental conditions and social dynamics within the gorilla troop. Female gorillas usually give birth every 3 to 4 years on average, although this can vary. After giving birth, the mother gorilla invests a considerable amount of time and effort into caring for and raising her offspring. The infant is nursed and dependent on its mother for several years before becoming more independent. The birth rate of gorillas is influenced by various factors, including the availability of food resources, habitat quality, and the stability of the gorilla population. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting gorilla habitats and addressing threats such as poaching and habitat loss are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of these endangered animals. It is not accurate to say that humans come from gorillas. While humans and gorillas are both primates and share a common evolutionary ancestor, they are distinct species with separate evolutionary paths. Approximately 7 to 10 million years ago, humans and gorillas diverged from a common ancestor, which was an early primate species. Over millions of years, each lineage underwent its own evolutionary changes, leading to the emergence of modern humans, Homo sapiens, and modern gorillas, gorilla species, as separate species. Humans belong to the family Hominidae, which also includes chimpanzees, bonobos, and orangutans, among others. Gorillas belong to the family Hominidae as well, but are classified in a different genus gorilla. So, while humans and gorillas share a common evolutionary heritage, they are not direct descendants of each other. Instead, both species evolved independently from a common ancestor millions of years ago. Gorillas are not typically monogamous. Instead, they exhibit a social structure known as a polygynous mating system, where one dominant male, the silverback, mates with multiple females within the group. This dominant male is responsible for leading and protecting the group, which usually consists of several females and their offspring. While the dominant silverback has exclusive mating rights within the group, females may also mate with subordinate males, particularly if the silverback is not present or if they are in proximity to other groups. However, these matings are less common and often occur opportunistically. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.